Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am your Fused Bro. So guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can install Buggy mode in GTA San Andreas. And I was very disappointed when I saw there is not a single video on this topic. So I thought to take this opportunity and I took the initiative. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it. So guys, first of all let's refresh the window and I have provided you a link in my description. So when you tap on that, you will be redirected to yd.sabine.com. Now what you have to do is subscribe and put the bell notification to all, and then you can unlock this download link. I've played a game with all of you. After that you will be redirected to Mega, where I upload all my games for my website, which you can visit, and its link is provided in my channel about. So when you will click on this game mode, then it will start downloading and it will look like this. So it is GTA San Andreas Buggy mode, about 9.8 MB. So 10 MB, it's not a big deal at all. So now I'll advise you to have a copy of GTA San Andreas because it's good to have backup. Now what you have to do is, in your download directory, double click on it and a window will appear like this. Now what you have to do, listen carefully. All this text, you don't have to do anything. Go to browse and select GTA San Andreas copy like I am doing here. In my D hard disk, I am selecting GTA San Andreas copy and click on OK through your mouse. After that you have to leave this type of installation automatic, and the mode replaces Bandito, and it is a very rare car which you cannot find easily. So now scroll down and follow my steps as I am doing. So now you have to click on Hot Ring Racer A. Well, this is the best racing car, but don't worry, this car will be replaced and you will get your Buggy. You can also have a look at the screenshots next. So now click on next and untick this install Avast antivirus to protect your PC because you don't want antivirus. So now your GTA San Andreas Buggy mode have been installed in your this directory. Just I will rename it to make this video a little bit longer and have a bigger watch time. So now let's write here Buggy, and now you can see my gameplay. Well, this was how you can install the Buggy mode. Now you have to type a cheat here, B Rock Pocky, spellings are here, and most of San Andreas users might have known this cheat. So now you can enjoy your Buggy mode just like the Fast and Furious 6. So guys, that is for today. Now subscribe to the channel and like this video and put the bell notification to all so that I can save your brain from getting fused every time. Till then, this is Fused Bro and peace over and out.